back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Welcome back to Bong Pune in South. Guys, I'm super excited. It's another Sunday and today I'm going to share with you a West Side haul video. Yes guys, a haul video, clothing haul video. So as you all know that West Side is running a superb sale in their stores and I'm getting a lot of messages. So I thought let me just go and shop something and share with you guys as well. The sale started from the 1st of August to the 31st of August, so you have to just go and check it out. They have sale on different items like clothing, footwear, makeups, perfumes. So without any further ado, let's get started with our West Side haul video. First let's visit the store and then share with you what did I shop from West Side. Let's get started. West Side is having a massive and a crazy sale across all location in all their stores. They're never seen before extra 50% off on sale is live now. Westside is offering incredible discount on wide range of stylish clothing, footwear and home decor, from trendy tops, bottoms to chic dresses and statement accessories. Everything's on sale. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to upgrade your wardrobe and home essential at unbeatable price, guys. Let me tell you about their never ending sale, which is extra 50% off on sale. Yes, if you purchase more than 6,000 rupees from their sale items, you will get extra 50% offs. For example, if you're purchasing for 6,000 rupees from their sale item, you will get your items only for 3,000 rupees. Superb, right? I really enjoyed everything. There were a lot of collection till now, so do visit their home essential, which is pretty costly. You'll get it for a very cheaper price. The sale is absolutely crazy, but your patience level has to be more crazy, guys. The trial rooms and the billing counter had long queues, so patience is the key. I waited around 1 hour just to try on my clothes. The queue in the trial room was crazy, guys. As you all know that 5 items are allowed at a time to try, so to try around 15 dresses I had to take multiple trips. I had a great time shopping and I ended up picking a couple of fantastic pieces which I am going to share with you guys in this haul video. Yes, I'm super excited for that, but yes, this entire experience took around 6 to 7 hours for me. So let's go and show you guys what did I shop from West Side. So guys, this is all the things that I have picked up from West Side. Some clothing, some footwear. Yes, I absolutely love their footwear. Their Luna Blue footwear is superb. So without any further ado, let's get started with the haul. Let me show you guys what all pieces that I have picked for myself. So let's get started. So guys, the first one is this dress. I absolutely love this dress. The color of the dress and the cute little heart detailing into it is amazing, guys. It's from a brand called Utsa and I really liked it. It's very classy and 2 pocket in a dress. It's a game changer for me and I absolutely love this dress. This is my officially first buy from West Side sale. This was gifted by Rins and I was really happy. He got me surprise and this dress is really beautiful. It's from a brand called Jiva Curves and I really like the way it flaunts on my body. If you're an oversized girl like me, you can also try out this oversized mid-length dress. I really love it, and the best part is it also have a 2 pocket and I just love it. I got sold out. I absolutely love the color and the fabric. I love this color. This is also one of my favorite color, blue. Yes, you will see me a lot of time wearing white, blue, black. I just love it. My wardrobe is full with blue, white and black clothes and this is one of the addition in my blue clothing, guys. This dress had 2 color. One is this blue, another is brown. I tried both of it and I love this blue on me. I felt this color actually works really good for my skin tone. So yes, I absolutely love it. It has this old school vibe and I really love it. So if you are a little bulky or a hefty girl like me, you can try this kind of dresses. It would look amazing, and again I got sold out because it has 2 pockets. This one is a t-shirt dress and I absolutely love t-shirt dresses. I think they look superb at any body type. You know, my sister used to have one, so I decided let me get one. This is the super piece that I've picked up. This dress is again from the brand called Wardrobe, and I absolutely love this dress. You know, as soon as I saw this dress, I had to try it out, and it was looking amazing on my body type. You know, the way it fits me, the way it looks is amazing, guys. I absolutely love t-shirt dresses, and it's very simple, plain, so you can wear it to your office as well. You know, it is so good and classy. I absolutely love this dress. In my shopping list, black has to be one of the color, and this is the piece that I loved it. You know, this one I got it at extreme last when I was like, okay, I'm not getting anything, let me just go with these dresses that I've already selected. That's when I got this dress, and I waited for around 25 minutes in the queue just to try on this dress. This is one of the black dress which is like love at first sight. Yes, as soon as I saw this dress, I knew I had to pick this up, try it on me. So this is from a brand called Jiva Curves, and I really like the length. The fit of the dress is amazing. I absolutely love it, and again I got sold because there's two pocket into it, and I really like the way it flaunts on my body. Every girl or woman should have one black dress in their cupboard. It absolutely changed the style and your fashion. Last but not the least of the sale had to be my favorite footwear from Luna Blue. I absolutely love West Side footwear, and that too from Luna Blue. You know, they are very classy looking. The best part about this footwear is it's very comfortable, and I really like the way it complements my feet. So guys, that was all for this haul video. How do you like this West Side haul video? Do let me know in the comment section below. I enjoyed a lot while shopping in West Side. Still the sale is going on. If you have not hit the West Side till now, what are you waiting for? Please go and shop your favorite dresses from West Side, that too in sale. I'm gonna meet you in my next video, and if you have any suggestions for any video, do let me know in the comment section below. I would link all the dresses in the description box. Do check it out, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, ta-da, love you all, bye.